Hi, it's me. Hello, it's me again, and I'm alive. And today is an exciting day because I'm going to IKEA to buy some lights for my propagation station, and I'm gonna film a very nice project I have, and I'm gonna also film my plant tour. And as you can see on the back, I'm gonna do some changes to that too. Some small changes, but anyway, I see you in a second. Hi, it's me again, and I'm alive. Still alive. This joke I will explain later, or another video. Anyhow, today's video is a houseplant tour. You're welcome. And it's actually it's a request video from my friend, and I've known her since, I don't know, the beginning of YouTube, before YouTube became a YouTube thing. So yeah, and we both like plants, and she have a magical garden on the roof of the house in the New York, and I love it so much. We exchanged seeds before, and now I'm having some seeds from Michee, and this will be in the video. And I'm very happy to do this video. I did enjoy it doing it, and also, Hans, if you're watching, I have some identification question for you and your fiance. So maybe you and your fiance could type down in the comments below what kind of cacti these are. So that would be grateful, and I will stop talking and let's start the video. This is my Chlorophytum comosum, which Chlorophytum actually means golden green plant, and I can kind of see it here also. It's one of them I have. This is another one. If you get too much light, it becomes really light. On the same family, Chlorophytum, I have another one, common name green orange, and the scientific name is Chlorophytum orchidastrum. And don't hate me for butchering the scientific names. Next up is my elephant ear, or it's commonly known as elephant ear, but I think I bought it as Alocasia venti, and leaves are massive, huge. It's a new addition to my collection. I always want to have one, and now I have it, and it's really pretty. The foliage is amazing. Cast iron plant. I was longing for this one for so long. The foliage is really beautiful. Oh, these are used as the decoration leaves, foliage. It's really pretty. And my next plant in my houseplant collection is Philodendron xandu. I don't think almost spoke Swedish. Anyway, so I don't think it has a common name, but it's thriving, and it's really interesting because when I bought it, the leaves were so tiny, and now they are so big. Aloe plant. I never had luck with these aloe plants, but it's my rubber plant. It's in the window, enjoying its sun, and the scientific name, I think it's a Ficus elastica robusta, and robusta means that the leaves are green, and though cherry, it's variegated leaves. All the time I put it on my balcony, and it's in the corner. It has very bright light, and it's enjoying it. I just water sometimes not. I will do a video about my plants how I take care of them. So that will be later. Also on this flower stand I have my Ficus lyrata, also known as fiddle leaf fig or violin ficus, and I can understand why it's a violin because the leaves are like a violin. Yeah, it's a Monstera deliciosa, and it's really funny plant, also known as Adam's ribs, and we could take Eva's ribs also, but you can understand why it's called that way. And the new growth is everywhere. There we have 2 new leaves, and I have another one over there. The fruits of Monstera deliciosa are edible, and you can actually buy it in some shops in Florida. They say that it tastes like banana and pineapple together. It's my Aglaonema, it's Chinese evergreen, and this variety is Silver Bay, and it has been flowering a lot. It's a flower on a flower on a flower. You can see all the flowers over there. It's amazing. Just flower, flower, flower. These are very good for darker spaces. Here we have my Chinese evergreen, the kind of smaller version, not Silver Bay. It's doing well. Actually, they are very good for dark places or shadowed faces, shadowed places, but they really enjoy bright light, not direct but bright. Take a look on my monkey musk, commonly known as a monkey musk, but this one is Monstera adasonii, which is confused with obliqua. And currently Monstera obliqua is not for sale and not in the stores anywhere. So this is adasonii, and I was in a conversation with the famous Instagrammer, and I will link it down below. The article I also read about false obliqua and adasonii, and why this is not an obliqua and it's adasonii. Another Monstera in the collection. Oh, my notes. Next up we have a new addition to my houseplants, which is Monstera karstenianum, or karsteniana. It's really beautiful. The leaves looks like they're kind of waxy, or I don't know, but it's really amazing. Wow, welcome to my philodendron. I think it's a red king or imperial red. I don't know, but isn't it amazing? And correct me if I'm wrong, of course. Let me know if I'm saying something wrong. The pronunciation, I don't care, because I can't do better. I can learn, but does it really matter? But look at the leaves. When the leaves are growing and unfolding, they are kind of red, really deep red. It's beautiful. And they are becoming green, so it's beautiful. I have 3 of those because I love it so much. Here in the corner we have my I'm busy! That's my boyfriend. Oh, and excuse me, I'm cleaning the terrarium also. So this is my golden Pothos with Pothos Enjoy. And I heard that if they grow upwards, they will grow bigger leaves, like this one here. It's quite big, and then it actually starts growing downwards. So maybe if I don't know, there is a video and I will link it up in the information box and down below to how I repot that one. And Azalea, oh, she is flowering like crazy. I propagate before so I can have it on my balcony later. Let me also mention my blue star fern. It's Phlebodium Aureum. I don't know. It's hanging on so far. My avocado. It's here. I cut it here. Let me see if I can. Over here, yeah. And it was really nice, I think. This is the setup of the room. I have a nice afternoon sun, I think from 1 o'clock. And then I have my curtains down, so it's very bright, but not direct sunlight. And so far they like it. Elephant foot, I got it from my boss at work, and he had this one since 2009. ZZ plant, known, we call it wardrobe plant, because you can almost have it in your wardrobe and it will still grow. Or actually, maybe not grow, but survive. So, the scientific name of this one is Zomiculcas. And it's growing, amazing, I love it. You never have to care too much about it. So let's meet some plants in my kitchen. And this is my kitchen window. Is it too much? I don't think so. I love it! I love it, I love it. This is my never stop blooming flamingo flower, also known as Anthurium. Anthurium, and it never stops flowering. It flowers and flowers and flowers after flower after flower. It's crazy. Flowers, flowers, look, everywhere flowers. It's flowers, flowers, flowers. And it never stops. Oh, I actually burned this one. And it's a double flower. So it's flowers, and then we have my marble queen, and I love her. This is a propagation of my Sansevieria masoniana, and this is a propagation of whatever, Sansevieria trifeta, I think. And you can see they are growing. And we have my Howarthia, and let me see next. It's my Madagascar plant. Oh, I will write the scientific names down there. I don't want to kill it. And we have some cacti, and I think my cacti friend from Ireland with his fiancée could help me to figure it out what that is. Don't belong actually in this part of video because it's a kitchen window, and I have a special window just for Sansevierias, but this is Sansevieria samurai, and I love it. Very common plant. It's a jade, a paradise tree or money tree. The scientific name I actually can pronounce, Crassula ovata, and this should be variety golden jade hummel sunset. It's because it has this red ending, and it's kind of more yellowish when it gets sun. It gets yellow and red, and it's really beautiful. I love it. This is my Euphorbia. I will write the scientific name of it because of course I don't want to butcher it. Common name is elephant bush, but it's Portulacaria afra. So I'm growing my amaryllis from the bulb again. I don't know, I just want to try something, so I'm trying it. And this is my Dieffenbachia Damocane. I think it's a compacta version, Dieffenbachia compacta, and it's growing. It's quite amazing. Never had a problem with it. Also, this is my home garden, and I have some salad, some citron malice, and this is food for my snails. And I have sprouts. I love it. It's a good snack, very good snack. And these tiny friends are from New York, from my friend Michee, who actually requested this video. So thank you, Michee. All of these plants actually are from your seeds. Tomatoes and chilies. So these are growing, my beautiful chilies from my friend Michee. And I'm trying this growing space shelf from IKEA, and it's actually working quite well for now. Everything is growing. Here's the little, as you can call it, maybe greenhouse with 3 shelves, and I have some stuff growing down there. I think it's a melon, honey melon or something, and basil. I bought it before. Another spider plant, and it's here beside the bed. So I keep it here, and it's kind of happy. It's quite dark. This is why it's kind of darker greenish, but still have a golden hue on it. Sansevieria window. Oh, I love my Sansevieria window. It's really, 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 really nice. Let me see. This one is Sansevieria Bantel Sensation, Sansevieria Lauretti. Don't you think? It's pretty. I know it will burst the, the pot eventually. And we have the Sansevieria Superb Green, I think. This is the normal one. One is quite high or tall. Then we have, can take this one. This one area is silver blue, cylindrica starfish, I think. But of course, if I'm wrong, please, please, please let me know. My Sansevieria honey, or honey, you can call it as you want, I think. And the other one we have Sansevieria cylindrica spaghetti. We have, of course, Sansevieria fernwood. This I bought at IKEA. I think it's very, very cute, and I was thinking I can try it. And we have Sansevieria kirki friends, and this actually grow really, really well. I got 3 babies I planted over there. Yeah. And then we have beautiful, beautiful Sansevieria masoniana. It has beautiful leaves, and it's not shiny. It's more like a sandpaper feeling, but very, very fine sandpaper. My Sansevieria moonshine. It's so beautiful. Sansevieria is my favorite genus, flowers, species, whatever you call it, it's my favorite. If you wanna send me one, do it. Easy plant or wardrobe plant, black. I got it as a gift, and it's quite remarkable. It's so beautiful. They grow green but turn black. Isn't that amazing? So this is my bedroom window, and it's filled with Sansevierias, and I love Sansevierias. They are so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hopefully see you in the next. So also worth mentioning that Chlorophytum orchidastrum, I grew this plant for hashtag grow it for Josh. It's a hashtag made by Rachel. I will link her video down below, and it's for her son, and I love it, and I'm very, very happy that this Chlorophytum orchidastrum is growing well. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for letting me being the part of the hashtag and the thought behind it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.